I came to Aberystwyth as a student in 1964. I started my working life as a research clerk in the House of Commons, and I'm now a working peer on the Labour benches of the House of Lords. In between, I've been a minister in the government, and I've been the chair of English Heritage. I think it's an extraordinary honour, because this university is where, after school, it started for me. I was lucky enough to be one of the first students in international politics, and it opened my eyes to an enormous world, gave me huge intellectual confidence, and to come back here and to see the changes that have been made, but also to know that the spirit of ABBA is still very much as I remember it, is quite terrific. So I'm really, really proud to be a fellow today. In 1964, it wasn't that usual to go to university. So it was an enormous adventure, and I chose Aberystwyth against a lot of other universities because I wanted to do international politics. And I spent 3 extraordinarily happy years here, and it never leaves you, ABBA. It's visceral. I haven't been back very much at all, but it lives with me on a permanent basis. And when I came back most recently and saw how beautiful it was, I'd completely forgotten it, how beautiful it was. And it means my youth, it means my first intellectual discoveries of my own, my first emergence as a scholar in some ways, but also as a professional person. I feel hugely privileged to have been here.